Everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to get resume templates on Microsoft Word. So first open Microsoft Word, then go to the File tab, click New, then select Resumes and Cover Letters, or type in the search bar Resume. Then click on the search icon. Here you have multiple templates to choose from. Select one of the templates. Let's select this one, for example. Then click on Create. Now to edit a text, just click on the placeholder text and change it. You can add the job title here, change your profile, add your contact informations, your education, work experience, and your skills. And to change the picture, just click on the picture, then right-click and select Format Shape. Go to Fill and Line, Fill, then Picture or Texture Fill. Now click on File to insert a file or a picture from your computer, or click on Online to insert an online picture. So let's insert a picture from the computer. Select the picture, then click Insert. Now go to Design under or Format under Picture Tools. Go to Crop and select Fill. Now adjust the picture and click outside the picture after finishing. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.